You can create viral short-form videos with amazing eye-catching animated captions just like top creators such as Ali Abdaal, Alex Hormozy or Mr. Beast, and you don't need to spend hours inside complicated editing software like before. With the help of AI, you can make them in a few seconds with just a few clicks. In this video, I will show you a tool that lets you do exactly that. It is called Submagic and it is one of the best AI tools for short-form video creation. Of course, you can do captions in other editing programs, but Submagic is so much faster and easier that it will save you dozens of hours every single month. All you need to do is sign up for Submagic using the link in the description. Once you are in, click here on Generate Captions. Here, you can see that the video has to be in MP4 or MOV format and the size limits are 5 minutes and 2 GB, so keep that in mind. You can either drag and drop your video file into the editor or select it manually. I will pick this one as an example. It is a random clip that I have taken from a Mr. Beast video and you can see it does not have any animated captions right now. After uploading, you can see we have an option called presets. What you can do with it is, if you have a specific captions and editing style that you want to use for every video, you can save it as a preset and use it for every video in the future. Next, choose your caption language. Submagic supports many different languages, which is amazing because you can not only generate captions for yourself in different languages, but you can also offer captioning as a service to businesses in your own country or abroad. You can also set it to detect multiple speakers, but since this video has only one speaker, I will just keep it on one. And then we have the option to translate the captions into different languages. Once you are done, click generate. You can see that our captions will be ready in about 30 seconds and the AI is right now performing these steps. It is generating captions, then it will generate emojis, then highlight important words and then animate the captions. If you try doing this manually, it will easily take you about an hour or so. When it is done, you will see your video loaded with captions. You can play your video once to see the captions, and for most cases, you can say that this video is almost ready for upload, but Submagic offers us a lot of other features, so let us check them one by one. First, you can choose from lots of styles, each with different animations and looks. You can see that if I click Hormozy, the caption style changes. These styles are named after popular creators like Mr. Beast, Ali Abdaal, Alex Hormozy and many others. Here, you can change the color of the captions, you can adjust the font size, and you can also change the caption's position in your video. You can also see the styles that use emojis. The new section shows the latest styles that were added to Submagic, and similarly we have some other sections as well. Now let's say you want to make changes to this beast style. Click here on customize and you will get many settings to change, like the font family, font weight, uppercase or lowercase, stroke, and every possible text related settings are available here. You can also create your own custom caption style by clicking here on create theme. Click here on edit captions and you will be able to make text related changes. Usually, Submagic AI has a very high accuracy rate, like almost 99%, so you won't need to make any major changes here. But you can still go through the red underlines and check if there are any mistakes. I found no errors, but in rare cases if you do, you can click the word and make the changes. You can add your own emojis by clicking here. You can change the size and position, disable the caption or delete it completely. Click here on colors and you will be able to do basic color correction to your video. For example, you can see that I am increasing the video brightness. You can also change the contrast, saturation and temperature. I will reset the values. You don't need to do this manually, just click here on reset filters. Next, we have brand. Let's say you want to add your own company logo or some watermark to your videos. You can upload that logo here and place it in the video. Then we have audio, and using AI, you can do audio cleanup and remove background noise from your video. You can also add background music to your videos from here. Using cover, you can add a cover image that you might have seen appear in Instagram Reels. It is just like thumbnails on YouTube, or you can select a specific section from your video to be your cover image. You can drag the timeline here and then click use this frame as a cover. Click on AI and you will find more amazing AI tools. The first is correct eye contact. This feature was literally added within the last 30 days and it does what it exactly says. Using AI, this feature makes your eyes appear as if they are looking into the camera even if you weren't. We have clean audio that removes background noise. Then we can generate hook title for our video. We also have magic B-rolls and magic zoom, but these features are available in a separate section, so we will talk about them there. One thing I forgot to mention is if you don't like the emojis on the captions, you can click here and regenerate them again using AI. On the top, click on trim and you will get even more features to edit your video. Click on remove silences and the AI will remove the silent parts of your video. You can remove bad text from your video as well. But I think you shouldn't use this section a lot and I have a good reason for that. You see, at the beginning of this video, we were allowed to upload a 5-minute video and maybe you have a 7-minute video with silences and bad text. That means you cannot caption that long video here. But if you manually cut the silences and bad text in some other tool and then make the video about 5 minutes, you will be able to upload it here and then caption it. Of course, you can upload longer videos by using the more expensive plans of Submagic, but I thought you should know about this possibility. If you cannot afford the time for cutting silences and bad text, you can definitely go for it. Now, let's go to the B-roll section. Here, you can either manually add B-rolls to your video or just let AI do the work. Click on Magic B-rolls, select what % of your video should be B-rolls, select free or premium B-rolls and click generate. You can see that B-rolls have been added. In this section, there is the word website. So we have a B-roll of a person using laptop and you should check these B-rolls because sometimes the AI does add some B-rolls that might not be the best representation of that word. You can also add sound effects. You can see we have some default sound effects and you can upload your own sound effects by clicking here. Click here on this infinity-like icon and you will be able to add transition effects. Click here on add image and you can add GIFs or images. Use the search bar to search for what you want. The AI has already found some relevant search results based on the clip and you can also upload your custom images here. We also have Magic Zoom here where AI adds zoom in and zoom out effects to videos wherever relevant. After making all the changes, you can click here on play and see how your video looks. Now that we have added captions, B-rolls, transitions, audio, zooms, branding and all, it is time to export our video. Click on export and select your settings like video quality, frames per second, video type, and as I told you at the beginning of this video, you can save your editing changes as a preset here and then reuse it for other videos in the future. After selecting everything, click on export and you can see our changes are being saved for downloading. If you think that you forgot to make some changes, you can click here and edit again, or you can copy the link and share the video with others. We still have some more tools available. Click on description and you will get an AI generated description for your video. You can copy it, regenerate it, get a short version or a longer version. You can also get a transcript of your video from here. You can play the video here.
In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get access to all of my YouTube secrets, everything I use to get over 100 million views a video. And the answer is my brand new website that I just launched, viewstats.com.
As you saw, the video looks awesome. Click here on download and your video will be downloaded. Now, let's talk about the pricing of this tool. You can see we can edit 3 videos for free and I have seen that it resets every month. Plus, the video has a watermark, so you can go for a paid plan. If you go for the yearly plans, you get a massive 41% discount. But if you don't want yearly plans, then you can get a discount on the monthly plans as well. I have made a detailed video explaining every plan and its benefits. But to tell you it in short, Pro plan is the most popular with 82% users using it. The starter plan is for complete beginners with less video production needs, and the business plan is for large teams and businesses. You can check the detailed video by clicking on the I button on the top right. Once you select a plan, on the pricing page, you get the option to add a coupon code. Enter WB Explainer and hit enter. You can see we have received a 10% discount and this works with every other plan as well. You can enter the remaining details on the right and complete your payment. So, this was everything about Submagic AI. If you create a lot of videos or offer editing as a service, this tool can save you huge amounts of time and money. You can check the pricing breakdown by clicking on this video right here. If you liked this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in a new video.